Welcome to the Hybrid Body Lab tutorial number 2, where we are creating a dual skin LED tattoo. Here is a quick overview of the setup before we begin the full process. To begin, cut a piece of contact vinyl that is slightly larger than your tattoo paper. Then remove the backing and use the adhesive side of the vinyl to laminate directly onto the shiny side of the tattoo paper. Once the two layers are fully attached, place this combined sheet onto the cutting mat and load it into the vinyl cutter. Send your stencil file to cut. When the cutting is complete, unload the mat and begin peeling away the designated cut areas. These peeled sections will later become the spaces where the gold leaf adheres. After preparing the stencil, we'll apply the gold leaf. Spray a light, even coat of metal leaf adhesive over the tattoo paper vinyl combo, holding the spray about a foot away. Allow the adhesive to become tacky, then lay the gold leaf sheet across the surface. Use a slightly damp sponge to gently pat the metal leaf into the tacky areas. The area you peeled earlier will attract the gold foil, forming the conductive traces of your circuit. Repeat this layering process 2 to 3 times to ensure you have consistent metal coverage. Once the foil is secured, peel away the remaining vinyl negative space to reveal the clean gold leaf circuitry underneath. Before attaching the LED, here is a closer observation of the component itself. The dotted side of the LED is the positive terminal, and the non-dotted side is the negative. To test whether the LED is working, start by setting your multimeter to continuity mode or low resistance mode. Touch the multimeter's positive red probe to the dotted pad and the negative black probe to the non-dotted pad. If you hear a beep, the LED is functioning properly. Create a small opening in the tattoo paper so the LED light can shine through once activated. Then use small pieces of conductive fabric tape to secure both the positive and negative terminals of the LED directly onto the gold leaf. At this point, the LED is electronically connected to the circuit. We'll now attach the battery. Extend the conductive pads using conductive tape and briefly press the coin cell battery against these extended pads. If the LED lights up, your circuit is functioning. Once confirmed, secure the battery's connection more permanently using conductive tape. You can also seal the gold surface with a thin layer of metal leaf sealer and allow it to dry before applying the tattoo. To transfer the circuit to the skin, begin by peeling off the green backing sheet from the tattoo paper. This exposes the tattoo's transparent adhesive layer. Press the transparent film side directly onto the circuit, smoothing it thoroughly so the entire design adheres. Once it is secured, peel away the transparent film. What remains on the circuit is the adhesive layer that will bind the tattoo to the skin. Flip the entire piece face down and place it onto the skin with the adhesive side touching the surface. Using a damp towel or sponge to saturate the back of the tattoo paper. After about 20 to 30 seconds, the backing paper will release, leaving the circuit adhered cleanly and flat against the skin. Reattach the battery to the on-skin circuit and keep in mind that the positive side of the battery should align with the positive side of the LED. Once the connection is established, the LED should illuminate directly on the body. At this point, the dual skin LED wearable interface is completed.